Number first, information of the landform features. Number 2, fold mountains. Number 3, block mountains. Number 4, volcanic mountains. Number 5, plateaus. Number 6, plain. First, measure landforms of the earth. The surface of the earth is uneven. Some parts may be rugged and some flat. The earth has an immeasurable variety of landforms. These landforms are a result of two processes, and they are internal process and external process. The internal process leads to the upliftment and sinking of the earth's surface. External process, it is the continuous wearing down and rebuilding of the land surface and includes two processes, namely erosion and deposition. Erosion, it is the wearing away of the earth's surface. Deposition, it is the rebuilding of a lower surface. It occurs due to erosion. The erosion and deposition processes are carried out by running water, ice and wind. Some definition. Erosion, the wearing away of the earth's surface is known as erosion. Mountain, a mountain is a natural elevation of the earth's surface. Glacier, some mountains have permanently frozen river of ice. They are called glaciers. Range, when mountains are in an arranged line, it is called a range. Horst and graben, the uplifted blocks are known as horst and the lower blocks are known as graben. Storehouse, a building where things are stored or kept. Terraces, one of the series of flat areas of ground which are cut into the side of a hill like steps in order to grow crops there. Flora, the plants of a particular area. Fauna, the animals living in an area. Plateau, a plateau is an elevated flat land. It is a flat top tableland standing above the surrounding area. Plain, a plain is a vast stretch of flat land where the thick population is found. Facts. Landforms on Earth are features of the surface of the planet. Making up the terrain of the landscape, different types of landforms include mountains, hills, canyons, plateaus, valleys, deserts, volcanoes, and even underwater features such as mid-ocean ridges and basins. Facts about mountains. A mountain is the highest landform on the surface of the earth. It is usually convex conical in shape with steep sides and a pointed tip called a peak. As compared to their surroundings, mountains are high points on the surface of the earth. Mountain range is a series of mountains. About hills. Hills are lower than mountains but are higher than the surrounding areas. Hills are lower in height than the surrounding areas. A number of hills together form a range of hills. Hills are usually covered with grass. The climate in the hills is more pleasant than the climate in high snow-covered mountains. It is usually neither too hot nor too cold. They make perfect tourist destinations. Facts about valleys. Valleys are the low-lying areas between two mountains or hills. When rivers flow down the mountain sides and hillsides, it wears off the rocks and soil. Over a period of time, the water carves out V-shaped grooves. These grooves get deeper and wider, finally forming low and land areas called valleys. Valleys formed by glaciers are U-shaped valleys. Valleys formed due to the effect of erosion are V-shaped valleys. Facts about plateaus. A plateau is a flat-topped highland with steep sides. Since it looks like a table, it is also called a tableland. They are basically areas of high flat land. Plateaus are usually surrounded by steep rock faces called cliffs. Some plateaus, like the plateau of Tibet, lies between mountain ranges. Plateaus are usually good for growing certain crops. Facts about plains. Plains, as you all are familiar with, are areas of flat land. The plains usually mean the ocean or seas. These are called coastal plains. In India, we have the eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains. Some plains are formed by the action of rivers. These are called river plains. In India, the northern Gangetic plain is a river plain. River plains are very fertile and good for growing crops. Facts. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and has the greatest depth. The Atlantic Ocean is about half the size of the Pacific and not quite as deep. The Indian Ocean, largely a southern hemisphere body, is slightly smaller than the Atlantic. The Arctic Ocean is about 7% of the size of the Pacific. Facts about islands. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. The continent of Australia is an island. Islands are formed due to volcanic activity or due to hot spots in the lithosphere. Coral islands are formed when the skeletal material of the coral piles up over a long period of time. These look beautiful. Facts and types. Deserts are large, dry and hot areas of land which receive little or no rainfall throughout the year. The vegetation is scanty due to the shortage of water. Deserts are covered with sand. Sand dunes are formed in deserts. Sand dunes are hills of sand formed by the winds. Cap. A cap is a part of land extending into a water body. Isthmus. An isthmus is a narrow stretch of land which joins two large land masses. Example, the Isthmus of Panama. There are two types of deserts: hot deserts and cold deserts. Hot deserts, as the name suggests, hot deserts are vast areas of land that are covered with sand and dust. These areas receive little or no rainfall and are very dry. The animals found in the hot deserts are camels, snakes, lizards, and rats. Thars Desert in India is a hot desert. Cold deserts. The cold deserts are large areas of land covered with snow. These deserts receive little or no rainfall. They receive snowfall during the winters. Animals such as penguins, whales, and fur seals survive in the cold deserts. The Antarctica is the world's biggest cold desert. Life in this cold desert is impossible. Peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water from three sides. For example, the southern part of India is a peninsula, as it is surrounded by the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean, and is joined to land on the fourth side. Another example is the state of Florida. Information of land from features. You must have seen of the land from features as shown in the figure. The earth has an infinite variety of landforms. Some parts of the lithosphere may be rugged and some flat. These landforms are a result of two processes. You will be amazed to know that the ground you are standing is slowly moving. Within the earth, a continuous movement is taking place. A mountain is any natural elevation of the earth's surface. Number first, the mountain may have a small summit and a broad base. Number two, it is considered higher than the surrounding area. Number three, some mountains are even higher than the clouds. Number four, in some mountains there are permanently frozen rivers of ice. They are called glaciers. The Siachen Glacier in Kashmir is the second largest world on polar areas. Fold mountains. The Himalayan mountains and the Alps are young fold mountains with rugged relief and high conical peaks. The Aravalli Range in India is one of the oldest fold mountain systems in the world. The Appalachians in North America and the Ural Mountains in Russia have rounded features and low elevation. They are very old fold mountains. A plateau is an elevated flatland. It is a flat-top tableland standing above the surrounding area. The plateau may have one or more sides with steep slopes. The height of plateaus often varies from few hundred meters to several thousand meters. The Deccan Plateau in India is one of the oldest plateaus. The East African plateaus in Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda, and the Western Plateau of Australia are other examples. Northern plains, southern plains, plains. Plains are large stretches of flat land. They are generally not more than 200 meters above mean sea level. Some plains are extremely level. Most of the plains are formed by rivers and their tributes. Generally, plains are very fertile. Landforms and the people. Humans have been living on different kinds of landforms in different ways. Life is difficult in mountainous areas. Plains provide much easy conditions of life. There are many ways to live in plains. They can make roads, houses, or easy to grow crops. People used to pollute water or nature. Treated water by humans riverside. Human beings have an impact on river ecosystems. Their relationship living organisms have with each other and with their environment is extremely complex. Impacts on a species or a non-living element may have long-term consequences for a river ecosystem. What is basins? A basin is a depression or dip in the earth's surface. Basins are shaped like balls with sides higher than the bottom. Three types of basins: river drainage basins, structural basins, ocean basins. River drainage basins. A river drainage basin is an area drained by a river and all of its tributaries. This is made up of many different watersheds. Structured basins. Structured basins are formed by tectonic activity. Tectonic activity is the movement of large pieces of the earth's crust called tectonic plates. Canyon. A canyon is a landform created when a river causes erosion over a long period of time. Canyons like the Grand Canyon can stretch for hundreds of miles. There are different types of canyons, including slot box and submarine canyons. Basins. Ocean basins are the largest depressions on Earth. Edges of the continents called continental shelves from the sides of ocean basins. Valley. A valley is a lower part in the land between the two higher parts of which might be hills or mountains. A valley is made deeper by a stream of water or a river as it flows from the high land to the lower land and into a lake or sea. Some valleys are made by glaciers, which are slow moving rivers of ice. Major landforms. Landforms are the physical features on the Earth's surface. Mountains, plateaus, and plains are some major landforms of the Earth. Natural processes such as weathering, water, elevation, sinking, and erosion of the soil are constantly shaping the Earth's surface. Major landforms: mountain, volcano, valley, plain, canyon, island, river, ocean, lake, hill, waterfall, bay, plateau, cave, peninsula, glacier. Internal process. A movement of Earth's surface results in internal process. What is external process? Continuous wearing down and rebuilding of the Earth's surface is the result of external process. An ocean is a body of water that composes much of a planet's hydrosphere. On Earth, an ocean is the one of the major continental divisions of the world ocean. These are in descending order by area: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic Oceans. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest on Earth's oceanic divisions. It extends from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south and is bounded by the continents of Asia and Australia in the west and the Americas in the east. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest of the world's oceans, with an area of about 106,460,000 square kilometers. It covers approximately 20% of Earth's surface and about 29% of its water surface area. It separates the old world from the new world. The Indian Ocean is the third largest of the world oceanic divisions, covering 70,560,000 square kilometers or 19.8% of the water on Earth's surface. It is bounded by Asia to the north, Africa to the west, and Australia to the east. The Southern Ocean, also known as the Antarctic Ocean or the Austral Ocean, comprises the southernmost waters of the world ocean, generally taken to be south of 60 degrees south latitude and encircling Antarctica. Earth's oceans: Arctic Ocean, North Pacific Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean, North Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean, South Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean. Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest of the world's five major oceans. It is also known as the coldest of all the oceans. The International Hydrographic Organization recognizes it as an ocean, although some oceanographers call it the Arctic Sea. Our Earth oceans: Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. Subscribe for more, share the video, like the video. Thank you very much.